Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'm pretty excited because I have Neil Napier here. Neil reached out to me, he said, "Hey Tim, do you want to check out my new product? It's called Voice to Content." And I said, "Sure, I always like to check out new products. That's how I am." I dived into this and I said, "Wow, I like this stuff. I really like it." Neil, I want to do an interview with you, so that's where we are right now. I asked 2 hours ago, Neil, can we do an interview? So, Neil, thanks for being here.
Hey, absolutely. Really happy to be here.
And yeah, like I said, I'm pretty excited. Can you tell us more about the app? It's called Voice to Content. Let's just dive into this and let's talk
Yeah.
about it. What is it?
So basically, I'm the kind of person that likes to talk a lot. And recently, I've been looking at some journaling apps because I sometimes hate to write lots of words like what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So I thought, okay, what if I just record something? And what if I go to transcription? I can, review it later. I can assess that data, all those things. And I was like, I found something which is pretty cool. And I thought, hey, if they're doing it for just journaling, what if I take the same concept to my business? So of course, I put my business hat on and I thought, okay, what if I just, walking down the street and have a product idea, like, okay, this is the kind of product I want to create. I can just talk for a minute or two, record everything that's in my mind. And what if I, instead of giving that to my team and say, go figure this out, what if I give them ads? What if I give them emails ready to go? What if I give them like a webinar description? So those sorts of things made me think that it should be easy to do, but so far I couldn't find a single solution that can take what you're thinking, your
Hmm.
ideas, and turn them into productive, profitable data information. So our team basically got together to create this, and it's pretty cool as you will soon see.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't think we need to talk a lot about it. Just show it, right?
Yeah.
Because yeah, I was blown away by what it created for me. I just started rambling in my microphone. I literally didn't think about anything. I thought let's do a product review or let's talk about voice to content. So I started talking about voice to content and just okay, you can do this with it, that with that, and then suddenly, man, I said write an email for me, and it was so beautifully written for me just from that messy thought that I had. So first compliments, and yeah, let's dive into this. Let's show the people what it is.
Sure, let's do this. By the way, I want to mention that the key thing for me is that it works on mobile as well. So as I mentioned, if I'm out and about, I don't want to wait till I get back to my computer.
Hmm.
I don't want that period of wait. So let's say we're actually going to do this live. So I'm
Okay.
going to, like you said, Tim, I'm going to say voice to content right here. And I'm just going to hit the record button. Then I'll quickly talk about what the
Uh huh.
app does,
Yeah.
who it targets. And of course, I can upload audio as well. So
Okay.
let's go do that now. So, Voice to Content is an amazing application that can take all the ideas in my head, all the thoughts that I have, and turn them into tangible things that I can use in my marketing. So, if I want to create an email based on just a product idea, I can do that. If I want to create a webinar description based on an offer that I have, I can do that. And if I want to create one, two, three ads based on a product that I came across and I'm reviewing, I can do that using Voice to Content as well. It's perfect for say affiliate marketers or product creators that don't have a lot of time to create all the marketing content they need, but they have really good ideas. So I'm going to stop at
Yeah,
that.
you just started rambling in the mic.
Yep, I keep rambling in the mic about 38 seconds. And as you will see pretty soon, within a few seconds, it will transcribe the whole thing for us. There you go.
Wow, that was quick.
It was very, very quick. So it's transcribed the whole thing. It's done. Now, of course, I can take this and I can create what I want. But in
Hmm.
this case, what I want to do is I want to create, let's say, ads, as I mentioned.
Hmm.
So I want to create ad uh, copy in this case and in English language. Oh, by the way, I must say that this works in multiple languages. So you could even record in different languages and you can create content in different languages or English or vice versa.
Okay,
So
so
that
I can record in Dutch, and then when I've recorded in Dutch, the tool will recognize my language, and then it can create ads and emails in English. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, that's what I'm
Okay,
saying.
cool, cool.
So it's quite multilingual. So let's say if I go for the English in this case, of course, it'll be easy to see. And the tone I want it to be friendly. And let's go ahead and say generate AI content. And based on that, it's going to take a few seconds and it will generate an ad. And that is really, really good because let me just remove this window. Okay. So it will create an ad, which is good because if I like it, I can use it directly. If I don't like it, I can create another one.
Hmm.
So there you go. That's the ad copy, introducing voice to content, your ultimate marketing champion, a companion. Are you tired of? And then it just goes to the whole thing, right? So that's the entire ad
Wow.
written. If I want to, I can create emails as well. If I want to, I can create
Yeah, just
SEO.
do a product launch.
Yeah, I mean, social media posts, for example, Facebook posts or hashtags or persuasive points. So just all that based on that description. So you just saw I recorded for
Yeah.
38 seconds and I have an email and I can have any kind of marketing content I need just like that.
Wow. And it also saves all the results for you?
It does. So it saves them in a campaign. I can always go back and check
Hmm.
what was created before. I can download that. I can use that as I want. So that's
Hmm.
all easy to do.
And from what I can see, you're also able to edit the content that has been created. So the transcription, are you able to edit that
Yes,
part?
you can. For example, let's say if I forgot to say something in the transcription, I can just go ahead and say, "Ooh, there's another way to use it." So I can just do this, and I can save changes, and from there on out, any generative text it will create will be based on the new description.
Nice, nice. So from what I've seen in the app, I also saw something like sub accounts.
Yeah, so what we're trying to do with AI apps these days is we are trying to give people not only the power of actually using the product for themselves, but also to share with their friends. Because AI is so hot right now, and honestly, we can't reach everyone. So we're giving away 50 sub accounts to everyone with a main license of voice to content, so that
Hmm.
when they get it, they can just give it to their team members, they can give it to their
Wow.
clients, their friends, and each license comes with limited number of credits. And the idea there is that once the credits are exhausted because they're one-time use,
Hmm.
then people will be more likely to purchase recurring credits. So we actually did this with one of our other apps a couple of months ago,
Hmm.
and so far we have 10 new subscriptions. This is actual fact. We have 10 new subscriptions from accounts that people gave away, and those people used it and ended up upgrading. And which
Hmm.
means that for customers who buy voice to content and they share the accounts, they can actually get recurring commissions just from their sub
Okay.
account upgrading with
So
us.
it's basically they're becoming an affiliate automatically when they purchase the product, they give it away, and when somebody gets a subscription, they are getting paid.
Exactly that.
Oh, that's nice, nice, cool. So how many credits are coming with the app? When I mean, we've got a webinar upcoming, if I understand correctly, right? So there
Um,
are some options. We have front ends, we have a whole funnel and stuff like that. Probably you're going to talk about on the webinar about that as well.
Yeah, so we do have the option for, a limited number of credits, the main
Hmm.
offer as we usually do. So I believe the credits are about 1,000 or 2,000. I can just check
Hmm.
that and confirm for you. But
Hmm.
of course, we do have the option for, so there's 1,000 personal use credits.
Okay,
But with the upgrade option, we have an unlimited license as well, which of
nice.
course is included in the bundle deal. And the thing
Hmm.
is, the unlimited is actually not that expensive. Usually
Hmm.
it's like 297, 397. The
Hmm.
unlimited in this case is only $97. So it's absolutely worth it for people to go for the main license, then get some additional features like you see some pro features here, and
Hmm.
then go ahead with it. Alternatively, get the bundle deal
Yeah.
because honestly, it's one of the cheapest bundle deals we put out for a long time.
Yeah, cool, cool. So there is an upcoming webinar, Neil. When is that webinar?
So this particular product launches on the 19th of October
Hmm.
at 11 a.m. Eastern, but we have a webinar on 19th of October at 10 a.m. Eastern, but we'll do a full demonstration of the app and,
Hmm.
also share some use cases and offer all the bonuses as we always do. So
Hmm.
that's on the 19th of October at 10 a.m. Eastern.
And there's a special discount when they join the webinar as well.
Absolutely is,
Okay.
yes.
Well, that's cool, man. Yeah, I really love this app, and that's what I said. I want to do a short interview where you just explain everyone and get everyone excited. Yeah, to get this, because there's a lot of crap out there. There's a lot of good products out there, and I think this one definitely belongs to one of the good ones. I really love it. I'm going to use it myself as well, so you know that. Because in my opinion, there's nothing simpler than just like you. I like talking as well, and just being in front of a mic. What impressed me most was literally I'm in front of the mic. I just started talking without even knowing exactly what the product was. I guessed it a bit. I looked to the product. I created something. So, and then the output it was perfect. And it also added additional things that perfectly matched whatever this product was. So yeah, like I said, I'm super excited, and I wish you all the best for your launch. I hope you're going to kill it with the launch, because I think a product like this deserves it. So one more time the date, Neil. for the
19
webinar?
at 10 a.m. Eastern is when the webinar is.
All right. Make sure you'll be there. There's a link in the description below. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Neil, thank you so much for jumping on the call so quickly. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so. Hit the notification bell as well. And please hit a thumbs up on this video, so that also helps to bump it in the YouTube search results. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.